kuningi kade wasuchaza kuma ufonelwana
ngoba okunye nje futhi wabeka izinto zacaca ngihamba nini ngegoli ngakusasa noma hamba ngasasa ngegoli ngafika e-office la Ivan Khoza sahlala naye lapho Ivan afika e-office kwase yama ngemotweni yethu umntwana wakhe la ehleli ngaphambi koyena e-drive mina ngihlele emva kwa-Ivan ehleli lapha ngami yena yathi imoto iphuma ngingena emgwaqeni wathi Sifiso Lutana waqala introduce umfana wakhe la manje umathi Mpumelo yini wasethi hayi engikutshela nje ayingile kumayo yokuthi kunigebe ngendlini asekhipheni ngeni bekwenzela imidi nje ngomfowenu umuntu odumile bekuzosuka umsindo ngavela ukuthi udule kanjani kodwa iqiniso lithi udule ngephutha zandi nesoka la okuyilona la phethe isibhamu ayibeka nje kanjalo futhi wayengeke ngisukela ngiqambela amanga nami ngeke ngisuke ngiqambela umuntu omkhulu kangaka amanga awu kanjani ngiyakhuluma phela vele umfowethu senze ngeke ngifihle lona ngafihla ukuthi umfowethu ufike kanjani hayi ngeke ngiqiniso mina wangitshela nala ekhaya washo futhi semthini washo la utshela ubaba ngitshela la edanini
wakwafika u-Ivan Khoza la
fika la ekhaya washo iqiniso wathi usenze udubule ngephutha edubuleka elamula uzandi nesoka la okuyilona isoka laliphethe isibhamu
uyasho yini ukuthi
imfisho ekhuluma record bangazodlala ngathi la yesasikhathi sokudlala thi basenza ingane
uyasho yini ukuthi uzwe ngobani
I'm sure yena umuntu oqala wafonela ngoba since umuntu ophethe usenza I'm sure kwafonelwa naqala
yebo
before izikhupha yonke lento
yebo
yena ngitshela nje iqiniso njengoba linjalo yes yabo nje yonke lento ekhuluma record siyabuka nje abantu bedlala ngathi abafuna ukuphenya shuthi protectwa lesibhamu kahle yabona lesikabani ngempela lesibhamu lesibhamu izona lesisiprotectwayo i-38 futhi le uthi umfethu uthi wayengitshela every day njalo ngangakakholwa sasahlala naye thothi siyabushaya naye ngingakakholwa nami sihlale na asho ukuthi thatha imfethu kodwa ingoqa kathi le gebe ngizafika iphethe isibhamu esinesondo ngilalele ngiyasho nje umuntu uyazi ukuthi iqiniso.
So tell me how this case does not exist, Ms. Mshololo. Why are you guys trying to confuse the public? And I say the public because Judge Rata is very clear on the evidence that's on the record. When the doctor started his cross-examination, I think the public was quite clear that here we are trying to get swindled by the defense and we will not allow with our intelligence and our logic. These two dockets, 410 and 163, were consolidated into one. When you consolidate something, you make it one. Yeah. So yes, 163 might have been a possession case, but 410 was murder. Murder coming from the possession. That firearm. As the witness explained, the gun was purchased somewhere in Gauteng. And as the cold case unit investigated, somewhere in Gauteng was Ntanzi. That's how Ntanzi comes in. And when the witness sees the whole picture and they ask him, when things are like this, when you find that this gun was actually sold by Ntanzi, and this gun has created A, B, and C murder case incidences or crimes, has created A, B, and C crimes. What's going to happen to the person that sold the gun? And the witness says he's a co-accused. Unfortunately, the case was already in trial when the cold case unit came in. And Kukwila Maubani, official minister Are, legal expert, explain to us what law are you using to tell people that a case cannot be investigated while it's on trial? The legal experts told us about a principle when we are still waiting for the law. Where is the law? Where's the law? Aye, Ngwanako Kgae, let's go continue and see what's going to happen today. Today, Mr. Ramsipile is calling Ms. Steenkamp, the person that drew the sketch that helped witnesses identify that sketch as Mr. Ndanzi. Remember Zungu when he says that I saw a picture, and when I saw this picture, I was like, there's no way, that must be Ndanzi. Yes, the person that drew that picture is coming today. I'm sure you're asking yourself, how is this going to help Ndanzi? Natasas. We are also wondering, how is this going to assist the defense, Ngwanako Kgae?